Finding a job is no easy task, especially if something is out of your control, like a disability is perceived as a hindrance. Tonight, 23 ABC's Leah Pizzetti joins us with how a local group is making sure people with disabilities are given a fair chance at work.
Earlier today, a luncheon was held here at Hodell's as a way to say thank you to companies who strive to help people with disabilities find work. Tracy Mensch was born with cerebral palsy. Many of her past job interviews have ended the same way.
I ran into a lot of people looking at my wheelchair and my disability, and just kind of just, well, we'll call you in 2 weeks, or not looking at the qualifications.
A problem Aaron Markovitz says is common. Markovitz works with Hire, an organization that works to help people like Tracy find jobs.
Many people with disabilities just need an opportunity to perform, and when they're given that opportunity, they can do work just like anyone else.
Tracy was given that chance a year ago when Rabobank hired her as part of their guest services team.
They are wonderful people, and they have welcomed me in with open arms.
Markovitz says Rabobank, along with other local employers like the Fox Theater and Bakersfield College, see past what some may assume is an obstacle and hire a person based on their qualifications, an easy step to take.
Honestly, oftentimes there isn't much extra that a business has to do other than being willing to try.
So Hire makes a point to thank those companies at an annual luncheon. This year, giving the Humanitarian of the Year award to Dale Aprandi for his work with Inclusion Films, a production company for adults with disabilities. And people like Tracy continue to fight for the right to a job, just like anyone else.
We deserve the chance like anyone else because we are people too.
This annual luncheon was originally founded by former Mayor Harvey Hall and is now continued by current Mayor Karen Go. Reporting in Northwest Bakersfield, Leah Pizzetti, 23 ABC.